Finding your Maytag washer stuck on the wash cycle can become annoying, especially when the timer refuses to move or clothes stay sitting inside longer than expected. Many users notice the washer pausing during washing, repeating the same cycle endlessly, or refusing to move to rinse or spin mode. Sometimes the machine still runs, but progress feels completely frozen. In many situations, a Maytag washer stuck on wash cycle issue can happen because of temporary control interruptions, unbalanced loads, drainage problems, or cycle communication glitches. Before pressing random buttons repeatedly or restarting cycles without checking the basics, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Maytag washer working properly again. 1. Pause the Maytag washer and wait briefly before restarting the cycle to check whether progress resumes normally. 2. Open the washer carefully and rearrange clothes if the load feels uneven or overloaded inside the drum. 3. Check whether water drains properly because drainage interruptions may stop the washer from advancing cycles. 4. Unplug the Maytag washer for several minutes to refresh temporary control settings before reconnecting power. 5. Start a short wash cycle and confirm whether the Maytag washer moves beyond the wash stage properly afterward.